I have a book review for you today on Awesome Animals, Midnight Edition, Volume 1 by Penny Farthing Graphics. This is the front of the book. It is glue bound. And this is the back of the book. The book dimensions are 8.5 by 11. All of these images have black background. There are 60 coloring pages. The paper is medium weight. That's a 60-pound paper offered by Creative Space. Very popular in coloring books. The pages are non-perforated. You can easily remove one with an X-Acto knife. I really like seeing the neon colors, gel pens and neon colors in with the black background, the Midnight Edition books. Really makes those colors pop and stand out. Of course, you can do anything you'd like with it. All of the illustrations are single-sided. If you use markers, please put in a sheet of cardstock or an extra couple sheets of paper so you don't have bleed through to the next page. I would recommend this book to everyone, beginner to advanced colorist. That one's really cool. Well, there's quite a few that are, but that one just really grabbed my attention. And there's a couple pages in the back that you can test out your colors on. And there you have it, Awesome Animals, Midnight Edition, Volume 1 by Penny Farthing Graphics.